PureChem Services is a division of Canadian Energy Services, designing specialized chemicals and delivering solutions to your toughest challenges. Providing corrosion inhibitors, H2S scavengers, demulsifiers, scale inhibitors, paraffin dispersants, water treatments, foamers, and much more. We can customize any chemical to treat your well by utilizing our technical specialists in your area. Based on well conditions and analysis, our specialized batch trucks perform regularly scheduled treatments. To optimize your production, our unique System Saver Pellets are injected down the backside of the casing with no loss to production, ensuring the efficient operation of your well. Our pellets are sent downhole and are weighted to fall through the fluids, dissolving gradually and reaching all areas of the well, achieving superior results when compared to traditional liquid treatments. We are environmentally responsible. In the event of a spill, the operator simply picks up the solid chemistry, eliminating environmental contaminations and the cost of remediation. Samples are taken by our operators and clearly labeled, then analyzed in our labs to ensure our clients are always getting the fit-for-purpose solution for their well. Designing, manufacturing, and distributing innovative chemical solutions for today's oilfield challenges.